Hi everyone, let's learn something useful today. Many English learners think hear and listen are same. ඔයාලත් එහෙම හිතන් හිටියද? ඒකට කමක් නැහැ. ඒකේ වෙනස මොකක්ද කියලා මම දැන් තේරුම් කරලා දෙන්නම්. Here is something happens naturally. You don't have to try. Examples, I can hear birds singing. I heard a loud noise last night. Listen is different. Listen means you pay attention to a sound. Example, please listen to your teacher. I love listening music. Here is an easy way. You hear with your ears. You listen with your attention. So compare these two sentences. I heard someone calling my name, so I listened carefully. So everyone, isn't it simple? අපිට පොඩි දෙයක් විතරයි මතක තියාගන්න තියෙන්නේ. Which is, hear is automatic. Listen is intentional. So, see you in the next video. Bye.